All right, hey guys, today we're going to be making these Halloween bottles, and we're going to be using some of these. Actually, we're going to use the frog eggs today, but you could use any of these. And first things first is we're going to go ahead and paint with some of this Mod Podge onto the bottle. Just like that. Make sure you get all the edges, wipe any excess off. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead, maybe you should fill with lentils before, but it's all right. Maybe fill it up about halfway. Just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the baby oil. Take my syringe. Grab my bottle. Fill the bottle up. So here's what we've got so far. Sorry guys, here we go. All right guys, we're gonna go ahead and glue the cap on. You're gonna wanna put some on the bottom, enough just to go over the sides. Not too much though. All right, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this moss. From a previous project. And we're just gonna glue a little bit of this on. Alright, and then just a little bit more up top. And be really careful, guys, with your hot glue. This is alright. So there's our finished product, and I also just wanted to let you guys know that with the label I went ahead and used a candle to burn around the edges, just because it was a little too big for the bottle, but also just to give it that nice burnt edge effect. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys.